Hi guys, Trevor Daw here again with Daw Properties, and today I wanted to talk to you about house hacking. So I know most of you know what house hacking is already. If you want to get into real estate investing or investing in general, you might have heard of it. But if not, hopefully I can give you some information here, and if you have, hopefully I'll give you a little refresher. So, basics of house hacking. What it is, the concept in general, is where wherever you're living is utilized in a way that will help you pay for the mortgage or the rent, etc., right? So basically you're hacking this part of your expenses by using it to pay for itself in a whole, part of itself, or maybe even turning a profit. That's hard to do, but some people do it. So that's the basic idea of what house hacking is. I will go more in depth into different house hacking strategies. I'll have a playlist where you can check those out. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you want to learn more about real estate, or if you know anyone who's trying to buy, sell, rent, or invest, please let me know. I'm out here in Southern California, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.